Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas 2020 and it's 30th of November, 3 p.m. and yes, I started vlogging very late today because I don't know why my video was not getting uploaded since yesterday. It got uploaded now, the day 3 video, and if you haven't watched that yet, make sure you're checking that out after this video. But yeah, I was working on that, and then I was working on my assignment. I have a lot of assignments going on right now, so I am continuously working on that. And agenda for today is not not very happening things going on right now. First I just have to complete my internship work, so I'll do that first, and then after that the Christmas special section will be there, which will be today I'll be making some DIY ornaments because it's 30th of November. I'll be putting up my Christmas tree in a day or two, so I felt why not make some ornaments for that beforehand. So yes, in today's video we'll be making some DIY ornaments for our Christmas tree. And yes, now I'll just go and complete my internship work and then I'll come back to you guys. So I am finally done with my internship work. It took me an hour or so, and then after that I just replied to all the comments on my previous videos as well that I have received till now. And again, I am so thankful to all of you for all these lovely comments and just showering your love on me continuously. So I am back. I took a break for an hour and it's 5 p.m. right now, and I did my nails as well. Like after a very long time I just painted them simply. So but yeah, I did them. But yeah, now we will head to the Christmassy section of our video and make our DIY ornaments. But before that, I just wanted to talk about the giveaway that is going on right now. You can find the details of this giveaway in my day 1 video. I'll leave a link to that here and in the description box below. But yeah, I'll just give a gist about the giveaway that is going on. So you have to watch my day 1 video, comment done in the comment section below there, and stay active throughout my Vlogmas. And one lucky winner from the most active participants will stand a chance to win an A4 size frame for themselves, and this is purely on lucky draw basis, and you can find more details on how you can take part and stuff like that in my day 1 video. So make sure you're checking that out and taking part in that if you haven't done that yet, because I know few of you have already taken part and are showing so much love towards my Vlogmas series, and I'm really thankful for that. And those of you who are new to this, I just wanted to share this thing with you guys so that you know how you can take part in my giveaway. And yes, now let's just get on to making our DIY ornaments. So welcome back to my crafting area, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 different ways in which you can make your DIY ornaments. So for the first idea, I have my straw cleaners with me, and what I'll do is I'll just line them on the top and twist them together like so, and then I'll just put my finger here and twist it like this, and then again I'll put my finger here and twist it below like this. So you will get a loop like this, and you have to continue till the end. Now once you reach your end, you just have to twist it again and then just go ahead and make it like a circle. Like so. And this will make your DIY wreath ornament. So now I'll grab a different color straw cleaner to make the bow and secure it at the top. So what I'll do is I'll align the two ends like this and I'll make a loop here on the top, and I'll twist this bottom part, and secure the two end points together by looping it like so. And then I'll make a loop here and I'll twist this on this end and secure it like so, and it will act as your bow as well as the securing point. And I'll just cut off the extra. So this is the DIY wreath which is ready. The other idea with the straw cleaner again is making a snowflake, and what I'll do is I'll grab two pieces, align the center points together and twist one of them like so. I'll grab another piece, align it in the center, twist it. Now I'll grab a separate piece here and I'll just place it here, twist it, and trim it off. So it will give the shape of the snowflake, and I'll do this on all the other edges. So here's the snowflake design completed, and when you are putting them on the Christmas tree, what you can do is simply attach a ribbon or a thread with the help of a strong glue at the back side here and here, and you can easily hang them on your Christmas tree. Now for the next idea, first I'll just clean this, and for the next idea I'm grabbing a red piece of ribbon. It's of 1/2 inch in width, and I have cut out the letters of my name from a white sheet of paper. You can also use wood letters if you have them, or you can use the Scrabble pieces if you have them to make this one. And then I'll just place them on the ribbon. I'll place the name on the ribbon. It's a really fun idea. You can include your kids in this, and also you can write the names of all the family members and make this one for each family member. And I'll just paste these letters on the ribbon. So I've pasted all the letters here, and I'll trim off the excess ribbon. But when you're trimming it, make sure you're leaving some extra edge on the top side. And then I have made a small bow from a golden ribbon, and I'll just attach it onto the top here. Now I'm just taking a piece of paper twine and I'll simply make a knot at this end, and I'll just flip this over and place it here and pass the ribbon like this and paste the ribbon here. And your name Ornament is ready. Now for the last idea of the day, I have some white and red circles cut out with me, and what I am going to do is just simply place them by overlapping on each other. I'll take red and white alternatively and I'll overlap them like so. I have cut out 6 circles of each color. You can do less or more as per your choice. And at this point, like after placing few circles which makes up like a stick, straight line, what you need to do is, so my camera just went off, but what I was saying is that at the top you need to start giving it a curve so that it takes the shape of a candy stick. And then just go ahead and start pasting your circles on each other. And your candy stick ornament is ready. I'll just attach a paper thread loop on the top so that we can hang it easily. And these are the completed ornaments that we made today, and I am sure you can include your kids in making these because they are so easy and fun to make, and I'm sure they are going to love it. And do let me know in the comment section below which one of these 4 was your favorite. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't participated in my giveaway yet, make sure you're participating there. And do let me know in the comment section below what kind of DIYs you want to see in my upcoming videos, and I'll be happy to make those if I can. And yes, this was pretty much it for today. Now I have to go and again complete my assignments. I know you guys are listening this from like day 1, but that is actually the reality because we are having the term end right now, and it's all about exams. And yes, now I'll go and complete my assignment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.